Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Gemini retro couple photo using an easy method. First, pick a high-quality photo of a couple that has decent lighting and clear subjects. Next, open your preferred photo editing application. Many free options offer excellent retro filters. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation of your vintage-inspired masterpiece. A well-chosen original image makes the editing process much smoother and more effective. Now, let's dive into the editing. Locate the Filters or Effects menu within your chosen app. You'll find a wide array of retro and vintage options. Don't be afraid to try a few different ones to see what best suits your image. Once you've selected a filter, fine-tune its intensity. Often, a slightly less intense filter creates a more authentic and less overprocessed retro feel. Aim for a natural, aged appearance. To truly capture that retro vibe, we'll add some vintage details. Start by applying a subtle grain or noise effect. This mimics the texture of old film. Next, gently desaturate the colors in your photo. Retro photos often have a slightly muted, less vibrant palette. Finally, think about adding a soft vignette around the edges. This darkens the corners, drawing attention to the couple in the center and enhancing the nostalgic mood. You're almost done. Take a moment to review all your adjustments. Ensure the grain, color, and vignette work together seamlessly to create a cohesive retro aesthetic. Make any final tweaks to brightness or contrast if needed. Once you're happy with the result, save your beautiful Gemini retro couple photo. It's ready to share and impress. Also, remember to check the description below for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.